Hello students, welcome back again to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of maths and today I am here with a new chapter number 5, addition and subtraction up to 20 from your textbook. So students, take out your maths book and take out your pencil box, your notebook along with you while studying your online classes. Now, let's get started. So students, in our previous chapters, we covered the topics addition up to 10, and adding 0, adding 1, addition facts, vertical addition, order in addition, and we also discuss about subtraction up to 10 with counting backwards to subtract, subtracting 0, vertical subtraction. Now we are going to study about addition and subtraction up to 20. So first of all students, do you know about addition? What is addition? When we put two or more objects together, it is called addition. The plus sign indicates the addition. For example, there are 3 ice creams, here 2 ice creams. So students, when we add 3 ice cream and 2 ice cream, how many ice cream we get? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 ice creams. So students, here we put 3 ice creams and 2 ice cream together, then we get the sum 5, or we get 5 ice cream. Okay, so this is addition. Now students, we study about adding numbers horizontally and vertically. So students, look at the given sum carefully. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So students, this is addition when we add 3 plus 2 we get the sum 5. So this is horizontally addition. Now students, the sum given above is written horizontally. Now let's write it vertically. So students, first of all we have to write 3, then plus 2. So when we add 3 and 2, we get total number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So students, we get the number 5. So this is horizontally form of addition and this is vertical form of addition. So I hope you understood. Now students, let's discuss about subtraction. So do you know about subtraction? What is subtraction? Yes, subtraction is to take away the minus sign indicates the subtraction. For example, look here, 6 candles are burnt here or blowing, and 2 candles blow off. So how many candles are blowing? Yes, 4 candles. So students, four candles are blowing. Students, subtracting numbers horizontally and vertically. Look at the given sum carefully. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. So students, when we subtract 2 from 3, we get the sum 1. So the sum given above is written horizontally. Now let's write it vertically. 3 minus 2 equals to, so students, 1, 2 and 3. So students, we have to cut 2, 1 and 2. So we get the number 1. So here sum is 1. 3 minus 2 equals to 1. I hope the concept of addition and subtraction is clear to you. Now all of you take out your maths book and open page number 59. Okay? Chapter 5, Addition and Subtraction up to 20. Warm up. Students, here picture is given. Look here. This is a picture of kittens. So students, do you know what are kittens? A baby of cat are known as kittens. And here these are puppies. So related to this picture, we are going to do some sums. Look at the first one. 3 white puppies plus 4 black puppies. So students, look here. There are 3 white puppies. 1, 2 and 3. These are the white puppies. Now we have to add 4 black puppies, or we are going to put 4 black puppies together with 3 white puppies. 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the black puppies. So students, when we add 3 and 3 plus 4, we get the total number of puppies 7. So you have to fill here 7. Now next, 4 playing kittens minus 1 sleeping kittens. Now students, look here. There are total 5 kittens. So here 4 kittens are playing and 1 kitten is sleeping. So students, when we subtract 4 with 1, we get the sum 3. So here you have to fill 3. Okay. Now in next, 5 big fish minus 3 small fish. So students, look at this aquarium. In this aquarium, there are 5 big fish and small fish, 3 small fish. So students, when we subtract 5 and 3, we get the number 2. So students, when we subtract 5 big fish with 3 small fish, we get 2 fish. Okay, so these are the answer of these sums that is solved now. So I hope you understood about this topic very well, and the concept of addition and subtraction is clear to you. Now in our next video we will discuss about our next topic, that is making 10 to add. Now your turn to study it and grasp it. Keep practicing, keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you students. Bye and take care.